So how do you activate the always on display on the Apple Watch Series 9 or even like later models, depends on which one you have, but this is how you do this. Well, basically what you need to do is to go to your phone, which is of course paired to your Apple Watch, and check out the watch section. In there, you'll be able to scroll down a little bit, but you need to go to the display and brightness. Part of the display and brightness, we have the always on display, so that is technically one toggle, but as you can see, we can manage it differently, right? So you have like, you get to pick what exactly shows up when you don't use the display. So when the always on is active, you might have decided that it will show only the complication data or live activities or apps or even notifications, right? So you get to set that up separately, but the main toggle is right there. Of course, you could also technically do it on the watch itself, where again, on the settings, you go to the display and brightness and you have the very same settings for the always on display. But personally, I find it much easier to navigate the iPhone to change stuff on the Apple Watch, because the screen on the iPhone is larger. So yeah, that's how I like to do this. But let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the next one and in the future. So I'll see you later.